Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how to make money before creating a product, so you do not waste time building something nobody wants. Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how to make money before creating a product, so you do not waste time building something nobody wants. A lot of beginners make the same mistake. They spend weeks or months creating a product before knowing if anybody actually wants it. Instead of guessing what people want, you can test the idea first. Testing helps you see if people are interested before you build the full product. Money does not come from simply having a product. Money comes from solving a problem people already care about. People do not pay just because you made something. They pay because they want a result. They want help, speed, clarity, convenience, confidence, or a solution. Making money before creating a product means you sell the idea, service, result, or promise first. Then you build only what people actually want. For example, you do not need to create a full course first. You can offer a live workshop, a one-on-one call, a checklist, or a simple service to see if people want the result. The first step is finding a real problem. Look for something people complain about, struggle with, keep asking about, or wish was easier. Start with your own experience. What have you learned? What have you solved? What do people ask you for help with? Your first money idea may already be inside your own life. Social media comments, Facebook groups, YouTube comments, Reddit posts, and online communities are full of problems people want solved. Once you find the problem, turn it into a clear promise. Tell people what result you can help them get.
When people ask the same question over and over again, that is a clue. Repeated questions can turn into paid guides, templates, services, or mini classes.
Use this simple formula. I help this person solve this problem so they can get this result. For example, instead of saying, I sell a budget planner, say, I help beginners organize their money so they can stop feeling confused and start tracking their spending. One way to make money first is to pre-sell. That means you offer the product before it is fully created, and you only build it after people show interest. Your first offer does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear, useful, and focused on one problem.
Instead of making a full course, start with a live workshop. Teach the topic one time, answer questions, and use the feedback to create a better product later.
You can also sell a service first. If people want your help, offer to do it for them or with them before turning the process into a product.
If the problem is simple, create a basic template. A template can be faster to make than a full product, and people like templates because they save time.
One-on-one help is one of the fastest ways to learn what people really need. You get paid, you help someone directly, and you discover what your future product should include. You can offer early access, beta access, or a small deposit. This helps confirm that people are serious before you spend too much time building. Before creating anything, post the idea. Say who it helps, what problem it solves, and what result people can expect. Ask people directly. You can say, I'm thinking about creating this. Would this help you? Simple conversations can tell you a lot.
Do not only listen to compliments. Watch what people do. If they ask for the price, join a waitlist, book a call, or pay early, that is a stronger sign.
Your first sale does not need a fancy website. You can start with a clear post, a simple payment link, a booking link, or a direct message conversation. After someone buys, focus on helping them get the result. Keep it simple, communicate clearly, and pay attention to what they ask for. The best part is this: your buyers will help you build the product. Their questions, struggles, and feedback show you exactly what to include. You do not have to create a big product before making money. Start with a problem, test the offer, get real interest, make the first sale, and then build what people actually want.